All right, guys. Unfortunately, I did not win my last bid on this website. I bid $100,000 in my previous video and I did not win. So I'm back looking for another property to bid on. I'm on the Alex Cooper auction website, and the first thing I notice is this one. It's a large brick townhouse with 4 levels, and that's also in Baltimore, with an annual gross rent of $24,000, and it's a Section 8 tenant. I am always looking for properties that already have a tenant so that when I buy them, I automatically start receiving some kind of cash flow. This property in particular looks like the tenant is paying $2,000 a month in rent, and all of it is paid by a government program, which is great because that means you're going to always be getting your rent. Because the tenant doesn't pay rent, the government pays it to you. So that's a big plus for me. On this website, you click the Documents tab and you will find any relevant documents and information you need to help you decide on whether or not you want to purchase the property. Of course, I am already interested in this property. Current bid is $90,000. Now I'm going to run the numbers to see what's the most I should be bidding on this property, considering how much the tenant is paying for rent. So I'm going to start at $130,000. Then I'm going to add 25% for a down payment, just in case if I don't use my own cash and buy the whole property cash. If I do a hard money loan, then it's probably going to be about a 25% down payment. So I'm going to factor that in. Closing costs, I'm going to factor this to be about 5%, just so that I'm giving myself a little cushion. And this tells me I need to bring $39,000 cash. That's only if I'm going to purchase this with a hard money loan. Interest is going to be 8.5%. So far, it looks like I'll be paying about $749.69 per month just on the mortgage. But let me continue with the calculations. So the tenant is paying $2,000 a month. So let's go ahead and put that there. It's only one unit, so nothing goes in this one. All right, so that gives me that $24,000 of gross yearly income. Still, I need to do taxes and insurance, and I always find that information on Zillow. Here on Zillow, I go to monthly costs, and this helps me determine what the property tax and home insurance is going to be. So I'm just going to go and edit this because I'm bidding up until $130,000, and I'm just adding the percentages that I already know in here so I can get a number. So it lets me know that the property taxes are going to be about $161 and the home insurance is going to be $46. So I go back to my investment form and I add these numbers in. So I went ahead and added the $46 for taxes and the $161 for insurance. Once I add the property taxes and insurance, you can see that my monthly expenses would be $956.69, and I would subtract that from the $2,000 I'm getting from the tenant anyway. That leaves me with $1,043.31 of cash flow after using the tenant's rental payments to pay the mortgage. So this looks like a good deal for me if I bid up to $130,000. I do think I could push this a little more and bid up to maybe $140 or $150, but I'm going to keep it at $130 for now. The auction has about 19 hours before it closes, so I'm going to wait and bid on it once it's closer to its end time. All right, the auction has a little over 2 minutes left and the current bid is $125. I'm going to get ready and place a bid. Go here, place bid. And I'm going to do $140, and I press this check mark. All right, so obviously I just put a bid in for $130,000, and I will see if I win. If not, then that's okay. Well, they are really fighting for this one. It just increased the time now, so I have to wait another 3 minutes. Ugh. Okay, so there are a few seconds left to place a bid. I'm going to place the bid, but what happens is when you place a bid at the last second, it just extends the auction. But I'll go ahead and place a bid at 151 and see if I'll win. So now I am actually winning, but that's just for now. But you see how the time just went back to 3 minutes. So it gives another person time to outbid me. So I just bid at $160,000. And if they outbid me this time, I'm so done. That's my last bid. So now it's back at 2 minutes and someone just outbidded my $160,000. So I am done because I have already put my maximum bid and I'm not going to win this property. So the search will continue. After I put in my highest bid, the property did sell at 166 and I did not win because my bid was at like the 165 range. So I'll try again next time.